This week's Safety Toolbox talk is on a term that OSHA discusses called the Focus 4 hazards. Falls, caught between, pinched by, and electrocution, electricity. 4 leading killers in what we do. Electricity's actually the 4th, whereas falls, once again in 2017, led the nation in construction with fatalities and was the most highly cited. In between that, caught between, pinched by. You could be struck by a falling load from a crane, you could be struck by a vehicular truck on the highway, you could be run over by a lull or a fork truck. You can pinch your hand between a tool and materials, taking off pieces of finger on machineries. There's a lot to be considered when you're looking at pinch bys, caught betweens, fall protection, and electricity. Electricity with us, are we looking at our tools before each use? Are we looking at our cords? Do we have temp lights up with bulbs that are energized but some are burnt out and or missing, which leaves that as being a live open circuit? In our OSHA 30 hour here at Berglund Construction Company, we discuss this text that you can review with your team today on the Focus 4. We discuss fall protection and means and measures for 4 hours in our OSHA 30 hour. 2 hours on caught between and pinch bys, 2 hours on electrical hazards. There's a lot to be discussed in regard to these 4 hazards on our job sites, and that's why I would like for you to review the text and of course observe this video this week so that we're more familiar with what might be happening on our job sites in reference to the Focus 4. So this week, let's have a safe week. Let's discuss Focus 4 term per OSHA, and let's make 2018 a great year. Thank you.